Sarah Edwards was a truly gifted and exceptional dancer who had the world at her feet. Sarah's dynamic physical attributes were matched only by her outstanding intelligence. She was an honor student at Bishop Kenny High School in Jacksonville, Florida, and involved in countless community activities. Her family and her community meant everything to Sarah, and every day she thought of new ways to make a positive difference. Sarah was a leader and always thought outside of the box. She had started research on colleges that would provide her with the best opportunities in computer science. This 16-year-old go-getter had a future as bright as the sun and was happy, healthy, and made every day the best day. Unfortunately, on January 6, 2010, Sarah's life was literally shattered due to the negligence of Larry Phillips, a drunk driver. On that tragic day, Larry Phillips had been drinking at a local bar, got into his car, and ran a red light at 45 miles per hour. He smashed into Sarah's vehicle and catapulted it into a tree. It has been documented by the St. Johns County Sheriff's Office that Mr. Phillips had a .12 alcohol level, which is well above the legal limit of .08, and was charged with a DUI. This total disregard for human life and safety almost killed Sarah Edwards, and she had to be taken by ambulance to Shands Hospital with severe, permanent injuries. Sarah suffered a displaced midshaft fracture with 100% lateral and posterior displacement of her left femur. Sarah's femur was repaired by inserting a 9 by 340 centimeter titanium nail in conjunction with screw holes drilled into her bone. Her left humerus had a comminuted displaced fracture involving the distal ulna. This was repaired by using 7 screws and extensive metal plating. She spent 6 agonizing days in the hospital, undergoing 2 separate surgeries and months of grueling occupational and physical therapies to try and regain function of her body. Dr. Gary Wilson is the board-certified orthopedic surgeon who performed Sarah's surgeries and has followed her recovery. Dr. Wilson has awarded Sarah Edwards a 12% permanent impairment rating to the body as a whole according to the AMA guidelines. The liability and damages in this case is clear. Sarah will never be the same person she was before this needless accident because of your drunk, careless driver.